Welcome back to the channel. Day 13 in Seoul, South Korea. I'm still in the quarantine facility. This is the last day and I'm out of here tomorrow morning at 7:30. Exciting. That toilet is amazing. Heated, flushes by itself. We've even got a little thing here. I call it a mobile phone holder. I mean, I'm not too sure what it is, but we'll say it's a mobile phone holder. And then you've got all these buttons that do various things just for the toilet. Amazing. Today at lunchtime, this arrived at my door. Guidelines for the discharge. It just says the checkout date, which is obviously tomorrow, the 15th of December. And checkout time is 7:30 in the morning. So no messing about, straight out of here. Basically says you're allowed to leave your room 10 minutes before the checkout time, so 7:20 you can leave your room. It says you need to go down to the first floor and with your luggage and your passport ready to be checked. There's going to be a bus that's going to take me to Seoul train station, and from there I will probably get a taxi and go on to my Airbnb a little bit early. I think check-in at my Airbnb is 3 o'clock, but I've contacted the owner yesterday and he's going to allow me to drop my bags off so I can leave my bags there. So that's very good of him. So yeah, last day I just wanted to basically go through my thoughts on this whole 2 weeks, the good things and the bad things. So I'm going to go through the good things first about staying here. The whole experience here has on the whole been pretty good, to be honest. Time's gone really quickly. I thought when I first got here, I thought 14 days, wow, this time's going to drag just being in one room, but it's not. It has flown by. So the good things, I mean, this room, yeah, it's not a massive room, but it's a nice room. The room is clean. It's got everything that you pretty much would need. It's well heated. I mean, it's pretty. I mean, it was -10 last night, and you would never know in here. It's super warm. So the heating's good. It's got a fridge. You get a kettle. You get a desk that you can sort of work on. You get this little couch area that you can sort of chill out on. Yeah, the bathroom's clean. Really nice bathroom. Nice shower. The biggest thing that I'm going to miss from staying here is the heated toilet seat. Wow, it's amazing. Plenty of plug sockets, takes UK plugs, so you don't even have to use an adapter. Food's been good, can't really grumble about the food. Yeah, it's cold, and that would probably put some people off, and it is quite repetitive, but it's not been a problem. I've never been hungry. Yeah, it's got a nice TV. There's various channels on there that you can watch. There's some channels, English channels. On the whole, it has been a very sort of positive experience. What are the negatives? Obviously, the bedding and the towels don't get changed. You get about 5 towels. You get 1 bath towel and probably, I think, 4 or 5 hand towels. Maybe 4 hand towels. Probably it would have been better if maybe they give you a couple of bath towels and probably the same amount of hand towels, but it's not been a massive problem. I do have a couple of like lightweight towels with me anyway, which are really easy to wash and dry. Obviously your room doesn't get cleaned or anything. You don't get any room service, you don't get anything like that. Basically everything that's in the room when you first walk in stays with you, and then when you leave, apparently the bedding and the towels just all get destroyed. So you can't really come in here expecting to be able to do everything that you want to do in a 4-star hotel, because it's not going to happen. You're basically paying for, you're getting meals brought to your door every day, and this food is obviously brought in from outside caterers. Your waste is getting collected on a daily basis. They're coming round every afternoon. They come round and check your temperature. You get a COVID test on the second day. So all this is, it's, I suppose it's all got to be paid for, and this is where your money's going. That's pretty much it. you know, this is a comfortable room, and I have been comfortable while I've been here. It has not been an unpleasant stay. I've got a decent view of the marina. Yeah, I'm just going to finish packing, get all my stuff ready, because it's obviously an early start in the morning. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, drop us a comment if you need to know anything about here and about the facility and about the whole procedure. I'll obviously reply to all those. So yeah, if you want to follow this trip and see what happens, make sure you subscribe and hit that notifications bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. I don't understand why you're so